What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today is the day. We're at Speedzone. We're about to wait for Franz to show up right now. Got another homie who showed up, so I'm gonna show his car. Definitely very dope. I'm also gonna put everybody's Instagram links in the description, so you can definitely check them out. But you might notice a little difference in quality. I'm not sure how the audio is gonna sound for one. But my camera broke. If you follow me on social media, you may have seen a post about it. But my camera just broke. So I am in the market looking for another camera. But in the meantime, I'm actually going to have to use my phone. So sorry for the audio, but yeah, that's what it is for now. Alright, so I just washed the car yesterday. Front, I'm sure, got a lot of bugs because I've seen a lot of muzzles hitting them. But yeah, here's the homie's car. Got a nice clean splitter, unlike that crap. I believe he actually got the Stillen one, so definitely looks good. And you may recognize the wheels. Those aren't my old wheels, but that's the same style. Definitely very dope. What up? All right. So got here, he's already up on the lift.
You can see what I told you this morning.
Oh yeah, hanger came out.
Yeah. Where's he fixed? No, I'm not worried about that.
Yeah, get that fixed ASAP. Well, once they can.
Like when you lower down, it's a little different. But
yeah. All right, we're started. You got any words you want to say to the people?
Oh yeah. Shout out to everybody that's been supporting me. My girlfriend, my sister. God, Kakezzzz Wheels, United Street Queens, Bradford, you know.
All right, cool. We should have United Street Queens coming up.
Yes, should be here at 11:30.
All right, cool. Baby.Cakezzzz. Speaking of, here she is, Baby.Cakezzzz pulling up. What's up?
Oh yeah, the hearts are on the way.
All right, cool. Very clean.
What's up, bro?
Solo. Love it. Instagram links are in the description. Alright. Post it up out back. Let me know what you guys think. You might see this clip on Instagram. Yeah. So yeah, he did confirm it is Stillen. And he painted it. So I'm definitely gonna have to paint mine. And I'm possibly gonna have to do a clear coat on it. So, yeah.
Fucking bitch. Drop one front, nigga. That's just maxed out.
So yeah, the rear definitely needs to be rolled because he's on the tire right there. So I might have to raise it until he can get the fenders rolled. Front is still good, or it's safe anyway. Still want to be lower. It's still got space.
We got so much room up front now?
Yeah. So much room for activities.
Yeah, it's on the tire.
Oh yeah, that tire bounced.
Man, he doesn't just drive it down the corner in the fucking field. We see screen low.
Gotta go.
I had the same problem with my car, my Lexus. I had to
With switch springs upgraded.
cut my spindle, and they had re-welded it and gave me like a -3 or 4 camber in the front.
What car?
The Lexus.
Oh,
I had the same problem that he had. Right. He couldn't go as low. Like I maxed out and everything.
All right.
Let's go lower in the back.
Fenders rolled. got space. A little salty because on the other side he raised it, and he didn't really need to raise it because he just needed to roll the fender. And he did a good job. Did a good job rolling. So, yeah, boom, perfect. Alright, so about to move the car so we can pull his out so he can do an official photo shoot. And yeah, she did point out she is the lowest here, which is true. She is the lowest. And I guess he's the second lowest. That's what happens when you go 18s.
Yo, not for nothing, that shit looks hard. It looks hard.
He's gonna have Bow City.
Well, he gonna have to live that life.
That's dope.
You don't have to just smaller screen if you want to go lower.
That is so dope. Rolling those fenders. Definitely let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I, for one, think it's just dope.
Pretty good. Not for nothing though. We should have gone with the purple caps and purple lugs. I tried. He wanted to get before more.
Alright, so we all together.
That's big facts.
Mm-hmm. Squadding out. All of the 5.5 gens are SRs. She's the only one with the sunroof. But yeah, here we go. Overall, let me know what you guys think. And we definitely gonna have some more events with everybody, especially once everything is fully the lockdown is fully under or no longer underway. So definitely stay tuned for that. Most likely the thumbnail that's gonna be used is one I just took, but it's not gonna have my too much of my car in it. But that's fine, cause y'all know what my car looks like. Gotta let the homie shine too. They both sound pretty good. Alright, so we're gonna lower the front a little more on this car. They're leaving for today. But yeah, once they're done here, he's gonna get the front look. See? Alright, but yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Still gonna have to get the front lowered some and do its alignment, but we'll probably say that for another video because I know we got a lot of footage right now, and I definitely don't want to hold up the video because this is definitely a lot of time. Probably been a few months, so yeah, we're definitely gonna end this video here. So I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Definitely let me know what you think below. I know he was getting a lot of hate all the time, but hopefully that's gonna change. Definitely let me know what you think though. Whether you like it, love it, hate it, whatever. Definitely let me know. But yeah, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.